Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to authorize Shopify with CJ Dropshipping. Essentially, I'm going to be walking you through how you can register for a CJ account, navigating through the CJ website and the correct way of how you will authorize your Shopify store. So without much further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing that we will have to do is that we want to register for our own CJ account. Simply head over to CJdropshipping.com, click on the orange register button if you don't have an account yet, and then you will be guided through the application form. You would simply have to provide your email address, a password, confirm it, and then agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Or you can simply sign up using your Gmail account, Apple account, Shopify, or WhatsApp, etc. So creating an account with CJ Dropshipping is very easy and simple. And the next crucial step in order to authorize our CJ Dropshipping account with Shopify is that we want to head over to our Shopify store, navigate to the left sidebar onto the applications, click on it, and then search for CJ Dropshipping. Installing the CJ Dropshipping application is essential in order to authorize and sync both platforms. Once the application has been downloaded, click on it from the Shopify platform, and then you will be redirected to CJdropshipping.com, and here you want to log in to your CJ Dropshipping account that we just created. Click on the orange authorize button and then you will be redirected to the CJ Dropshipping website. When you're signed in, you will notice that at the very top there will be a bar and there is a button that says Authorization. So click on the drop down menu and then click Shopify. And once you've clicked on that, it will redirect you to the page where it shows you all of your Shopify stores that are currently linked and authorized and are ready to be used for fulfillment processes or syncing products. So we want to make sure that this current Shopify store is synced. So I'm going to head back to my Shopify store and look at the last few digits from the link. And if I look at the authorization list, then I can notice that this store is already on here and it's properly synced. If you can't find your store right here, then click on the Add Store button and then simply click Authorize and go through the process again. However, if you did everything correctly as I showed you in this video, then it should be no problem and you will probably find your store right here. In order to make sure that everything is right, I'm going to try and add a product to my store right now. So go ahead and click on the CJ Dropshipping logo right here. This will take you back to the main page on the store. I'm going to find a quick product that I might be interested in adding onto my store. So for example, I'm going to select this dress and then I'm going to click on list. Again, double check that your store is selected right here at the very top. Choose the product type as you wish and the vendor. Of course, don't forget to select your own pricing and the margins. And then once all of that is said and done, click on list it now. Give CJ Dropshipping a few moments to actually sync this with your Shopify store and you can check the status on this page right here. Once the pending status has been processed, you can go back to your Shopify store and check the product section. And as you can see, the product that I just added using CJ Dropshipping is now live on my store. I can preview it and make sure that everything has been imported correctly. So for example, you can click on the preview on store button and then make sure that it has been imported right with the images, description, the variants and all of that, and most importantly the pricing that we have pre-selected. CJ Dropshipping will import everything from the size information, notes, packing list, all the necessary images that are necessary in order to hook the viewer's attention. And as you can see, with minimal effort, it just added me a product flawlessly. So as you can see, the process on how you can authorize CJ Dropshipping with your Shopify account is seamless using the application and the correct steps. That was all in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions by leaving them in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.